Hi, I'm Judy Walker, Senior Vice President of Marketing for Anago Cleaning Systems. This has been a challenging time for all businesses, and especially those on the front lines. Anago's over 1,700 franchisees have been very busy while most of the country has been sheltering at home. They have been working every day and night, cleaning, sanitizing, and disinfecting businesses all over the US and Canada. Anago franchisees and their employees are making sure your businesses will be safe and clean when it's time to return to work. We extend a heartfelt thank you to all of them from Anago Cleaning Systems.
Thank you for taking care of us.
We appreciate all you do.
Your commitment inspires us.
You are sacrificing a lot for our sake.
You've always set very high standards.
And you continue to do so at this difficult time.
Gracias de todos nosotros.
Thank you from all of us.
To all of you,